Okay, so here are my first thoughts on this towel. It's terry cloth and it's a very soft material. I like how it feels against my skin. Let's check out the full size. So this is what the full size of it looks like. They're a little bit of a smaller towel, but I don't mind it. So here is the size just to give you an idea. And then overall quality and thickness. So these aren't very thick. If you're looking for a thick towel, this is not the towel for you. I actually prefer thin towels because it's better for your hair. So I look for thin towels to use on my hair. So I like this because it's a thinner towel. It's got the terry cloth, which is absorbent. And then it's a good size for me. So I'll go ahead and throw them in the wash and let you know what I think about the durability of them and how they feel after they've gotten laundered. So these have now been through the washing machine and I've had them about a week. They still remain soft after I washed them and they're very absorbent, just like I thought they would be. So I think all in all, they're a really good value and I definitely like them and will continue to use them.